on station. Good work. The UAV is online. Seeing a swarm of spy drones down there. Clean them up. Excellent work. We've got two in the field. If you haven't noticed, the horn's real loud. Hold on.
Attack on. Launching UAV.
Enemy UAV overhead. Mates are in the safe zone. Move it. Go get after it. Friendly loadout drones on the way.
Get a harp overhead.
Loadout drop headed your way. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV is online.
Let's go along. Đây Penia ghi vào tí rام rام. Ah, but I got locked again. What the fuck we gotta do? Oh, you look like you that's all on the line. Yes. Yung akigiyak lahat lang wala. Es kawalan kiye. Ata. This. Bu picture gamdan musle. Tito ka, kufla lang ba Tito? What the heck? 이거 어디나 댄책 운동하고 이거 Dexter is go to the account and make it saving. Oh, wala. What the hell? Okay, wait, let me mix my shit. Hey, it's open. What are the text chat open? Look. What the hell? Oh, yeah. And then muesli. What? Yeah, tagal yung sila nyo. Ay, wait, what did they say in the comments? I didn't see. Can I join? Oh shit. Yo, join then, bro. Talking about can I join? Add me up.
End up taking the day, or did you
wanna join? You wanna join the lobby? Just add me up. Chat. Just add me up. You see my name on the chat. Just fast forward. Just peg it up. The video, the live stream.
Hey, chat.
Just find it out when I'm on my account. Huh? What you talking about? You random dude.
Hey, chat. I'm chat.
Oh,
Friend
okay.
chat.
Dito, yung mga manja pickpockets le.
I see girls on the roof.
I lost
Got you.
Look like it's not
you.
Oh, it sucked. Ain't no way that gun sucks.
Mic check, micro check,
Hey,
mic
Ethan.
check, micro check.
Go over there, lay on the bed over there, and you put Yumina TV. You put your Yumina like you watch. Go in your bed.
Where we going?
We're going to the stronghold.
Right, to Jerusalem, y'all.
Yo.
Come on, Gacy. Get a kill. It's one line.
UAV heading your way.
Yes, come down here.
Hey, there he is. There he is. Yeah, one line.
Yeah, I like that. I'm bent over.
Hey,
There's 2 girls and 7 boys. Ooh. This guy's like an anal.
Oh my god.
Oh, please don't kill me, bro. I just landed.
Oh, that was a big one.
Oh, you expect me to run, huh? Do you expect me to run, bro?
Get some spaghetti with that if you expect me to run. Spaghetti to run.
My nigga says spaghetti, bro.
Spaghetti to run. You expect me to run with my spaghetti. Whoa, look at that.
Hey, drop it, bro. That's mine. So.
Shit, go get this. Get your ass up, sorry, no one's here.
They're over there on the hill, fool.
Come here. What are you doing over there? Come inside. Let's push. This nigga's pushing. Yeah. Dude.
Bro, can you stop? You're being Kylie right now. Yes, you are. You're being bad.
Yeah, one line. Yeah, good man.
You piece of shit.
Come on again,
Come on.
Listen, bring him in that.
Jesus Christ, bro, you're a fucking. You know what? Mama is a slut, bitch. Standing on top there, camping like a bitch. We'll catch the bus where everybody bend over. Then go. You can do it. Get out of that spot.
Enemy UAV is online.
See, yo, don't you camping? You lang here, you doing me? Look at that. Look at him laying down. Like his asshole hurt. Fucking bitch.
Hostile UAV in the area.
You, I'm gonna come and kill your ass.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy soldier incoming.
Alright, I see your friend request. Wait, after this I might add you up. After this I might add you up, my guy. Help, Yumina, what happened? Yes! Fucking bitch. Fuck that, I'm leaving this guy. Alright, let's get it. Nice, you fix it. Right at your phone. Go charge it so you don't charge. Hey, go play and charge so you don't charge. Hi. Yo, what's up, CNB?
What's up?
How you doing, my man? Hey, why did Tito didn't talk? Tito, are you gonna get kicked out or something? I think you're gonna get kicked out because I didn't hear your voice. Let me start it again. This game is stupid right now. Now I can hear you, Tito. 게임생활만 그래 지연하기 이거 클래시. Dictionary nga mga YouTube. Madigat-igat ki mapag-join ba nga sa join ka. Alright, CNB, let's get it. We're gonna try to give you a win. I don't know why we cannot start. It's say connecting for a long ass time. Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh, look at it. It just say connecting. What happened, guys? Somebody didn't download. Hey, I don't know what
I don't
it
know
is.
what's happening, but
Alright,
it
let's
ain't working.
rejoin. Let's leave together and rejoin. Hindi ako sila man.
He coming. Alright, give me that shit. Hey.
Hey, June. June. Yo, KS691. Hey.
Why?
Hey, man. Arch multiplayer, dude.
When multiplayer dude.
Jag vet inte, sorry.
It's
Dagen is that
691 just
dig.
a fucking spel idag. Jag har bagon na mas sexy from one.
Really move machine.
Hey, that is a good gun is that dig too. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, CNB.
Whoa.
I'm sorry, CNB. I gotta kick you out. Tadig sige YouTube pa siya. We got
Hom
kigil.
kigil ya, mana gel na gas ko siya ya.
Hey, what from it Timegos? What the
Racist.
hell? We cannot have 5 people, bro. No, I'm not
Lali,
racist. I'm sorry,
nag-copy ko siya,
CNB.
nag-copy.
Ay, liye YouTube flash up. That's not racist. Come on, liye live for Joey.
I-copy si Fatman. Yun ang copy machine bagon.
Hey, I'm sorry, man. I'm
It's a
so sorry.
lie.
No, di liye live for
Ah, Tito, you better say something now. It's all cases.
Need late lagay kikiswela. Follow ko wala. What? This game doing something really stupid. Tito Mosh. Hey! 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 Yes, Kawaki. Yo, bro, what's going on, bro? Nan pe, nanigam tawagi yan. Hey, gosh, update size. Mic check, mic check. Yes, wala. 结束了。别嘛录啊个。Kami current is red pyro, red peso.
Bro, man.
Hindi namin gamde jive na show.
She.
Ngayon jive ba show lang
McDonald Wi-Fi sila. Ngayon ko enjoy.
smart show la.
Evo.
Ngayon.
Gawin na yan ang guessing ko. Kapuis. At sana nagtentate ng tweet lang eh.
Okay.
Yeah, I gotta add him so we can play, bro.
Tito, good their friends. Yes, good friends, sorry.
Bro, we're friends. What are you talking about?
Yeah, we're friends.
We're friends.
Well, there's that nigga right there, the new one.
Then we got to wait helicopter through.
Gigi helicopter God.
When mo din si helicopter la, expire passport lala. Deployment hearing of passport sila check pa expire. Or hindi na deploy tayo the deporting.
Dapat na ba? Tadi siya di para love si kay YouTube. Ngayon hindi siya isma kay YouTube niya dahil fuck tabi
We robbed everybody. We was on shit.
Yeah,
Snatching bricks like Beyond, bro.
hey, we
chill out, bro. You ain't no 50 Cent. You ain't no 50 Cent, bro. Wake up.
Oh, yep. The best place right here. Thank you.
All good. Bye.
Yes, please say the same from the shop.
Wait. Dito lang. Dito. Dito.
Man.
Bro, Dito, bro.
What's up?
Dito pa siya Kikiyak lang.
Why'd you guys leave?
No, mashallah ngan si na. Basic the hit crowd na let you scared.
No, Tito disconnected.
Sama king akansu ma let we got get chopper and gonna get
Out
crowd.
of vision if I'm not disconnected.
Really?
Disconnected.
Madali lang, wala na kayo naugoku.
Tito, check your fucking passport.
Ay, talaga.
Bro, LT did not take a chance.
You got that shit, bro. You got it. Hey, I'm sorry, whoever on the YouTube trying to join us,
Alin
man.
na hitsap na ba LT sila? Chat na soksa ba? Luk mo na busy ka tinaway.
All right, here we go, bro.
Samay
Let's do the
tolo.
rematch. CNB, this for you, CNB. I'm sorry for kicking you out.
Oh shit, that's stupid.
Comments nga bro, ako kiga. Lapos la comments salta. Don't feel that relax. Comment.
Deployment.
What's up, Mac? That's what name Jimmy.
Eh, hindi ka talon, di ko na. 691.
You're not comment my
691
now
is kalata ko. Yes! Ilashi, 691 is spawn.
Green.
Yep, there he
Yeah,
is, 691. Eagle is here too.
Ano ba? Yung the rip might be not spot nga.
Breakdown's over.
Pintal pa, slow, that's not the spot. Hey, we're
Prep time's
here.
over. Now you deploy to the war zone.
I'm weak.
We've got 10 squads active.
Just about our spot, but we're fine. Let's go to the bunker. The bunker ass.
Resurgence. Survive to redeploy fallen teammates. Kill to bring them back faster.
No, yeah.
Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your
On
squad.
the
West side.
Go to the west side.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Way to keep it tight. Supply box UAV.
Counter UAV available for tasking.
Commence counter UAV operations.
Focus, commencing counter UAV operations overhead.
It's gonna die 99.
What about from police station?
Hey, shut up. Don't talk next to us, bro. Making us trip out. Hey, go on. Elon to boost na debi. Elangi. Dar şöyle kapıya.
Reinforcements inbound.
Taking fire.
Kaya tanga yun eh.
Over here hiding. What a scrub.
Git. Tadı bu.
Valiant effort. Keep your head up and return to base to debrief.
Hey man, who in the bunker?
You got me, Jay. Do the bunker, gumis na nila guay. There you go, do the bunker. So, y'all. Hey, hindi siya yun lang nag-lobby yan. Hindi biye.
Yup. In the lobby.
Dahil din ako siya loading screen.
Antena.
Alright, that's good, that's good. Let me tell you this, bro. That's a really good, phenomenal answer, bro. Eh, guys, eh, kung pangger na, na-miss na nag why.
Why we
Hunger na ba back check
this?
this after? Uy, magulang ak na hunger na ba? Nangan mo sa after yung packet mo ko.
Yeah, that shit's always crowded. What you expect, bro?
West side.
Nakakundang long yung hangin.
That side's always so you gotta be ready. Yeah, right. Once you land, you shoot, you
Hey,
brought you
focus,
up.
focus, no underwear, focus, focus, bro.
Vai gadget un dia cute and they're pangalan da. Na fin kung tangalan na kung tangata na marky kanya. Help on the way.
Nakakanda mo kung may sige ngayon.
Basic the battle royale.
Yeah, gotta see. Yes, kasi fuko ko na ba yung mga yun eh. Woo! Ikaw man pass na lang. Ping, yun. Fuck that, we're not gonna play that then. Hey, Sham, ga mga lang ba siya din? Miss, wala ni tayo. Ano? This.
Taste my lips.
Bangan.
Which lips?
That's bullshit, bro. Block ka na nigga, home screen na ba? Very sad. What the fuck, Call of Duty? Are you tripping or what,
hey,
bro?
Gumash? Hey, bro. KC, FSM, Gumash though, man.
How?
Both of you guys, right?
One with Kosraean.
Both of you guys in Seattle, right?
No. I'm in Australia, bro. You tripping?
Oh, in your dreams, bro. You be fishing if you're out there with Australia, bro. You go meet the streamer, go meet fisherman.
No, I'm in Indiana for real though.
Oh wow, why Indiana? Fuck, I forgot Indiana. Oh shit, you're in Seattle, bro.
I'm the Seattle, the one with Kosraean.
Wow, where you at?
Damn, bro, chill out. You gonna pull up in the window, you cripper? Oh yeah. You gonna scare him?
Nigga, I ain't just gonna pull up like that. I don't have the magician.
No. I know you got black match.
You said where? Now you said. Now you made me forget where he said.
Do you know Ligiak Philip?
Yeah, Philip. Sounds familiar.
You lied. You're not living in Alaska, bro. You lied to us.
I was in Seattle too, fool.
Where are you right now?
I was there for quite a minute.
Wala ni kiyang wala ni good. Thank you.
stations. This is Shadow 01. Deployment to the war zone has been authorized.
Get down, you mean. Winner. Yeah. Solo bang cái điều còn. This enemy is stronghold. I repeat. Marking target location.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Det finns ju inte ursäkt där i de mycket. Jag menar nu okej. Det är så smäck ja. Låt mig gå man.
Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting.
Sun Fanari. Fuck Sun Fanari, bro. Yeah, there you go. Finally, he's talking. Move, humanoid. Move. I don't want to die this time, bro. Move, humanoid. What the fuck are you looking at? Fuck. Hey, Longo. Frick, let that go.
Maybe, yeah.
He's on top.
Are you guys at stronghold?
You fuck. Are you gonna run too, you fuck? Yeah, another one on top. Move, you mean not. Move.
Damn, so I gotta go to the other. I just want to get caught.
You didn't even see the kill streak coming, bro.
It's all good.
Thank you, everybody else, man.
Get hot, then it did me.
Where? Mark it. Down here. Oh, yeah, I'm not over there. I'm on this side.
Enemy SAM turret active.
Hello, motherfucker.
Target down.
Hey, here, I'm on. Don't get that too late, wallah. It's crazy, bro.
Look at them tiny stuff.
Come on, we can do it. What? Come.
It's garbage, dude.
What happened?
Ready for your face.
Your squad mates back on station. Good work. All squad mates are in the safe zone.
That's
You're losing ground. Move it.
I love you.
Ooh.
Resurgence. Go get your revenge.
Yes, the funny field. Wait. Tanga tayo.
Yeah. Go the other way.
Rush me.
Where the fuck, man? I had two on me. Where'd you guys at, bro?
Fucking
just got my loader. You still be fucked. Coming for you, baby.
Reinforcements inbound.
16.
Only got one.
Friendly
My
loadout
teammates was next to me. I would have had 5. They don't give a fuck. They want to get down.
Contract was compromised. Stand down.
Hey, UAV's up. Look around you.
Fucking fuck.
Oh my god.
What the frick?
I'm so on the filet on the troll.
Fuck.
Your squad teammates back on station. Good work. Enemies dropping into the AO. You have reinforcements inbound.
You ain't gonna do shit. Yes, unlucky. Nó chứ bắt đuôi lần sao cơ. Stay alive, 10 seconds. Gang, met pa galo tao. Ey, kesa yan na may aloft sige stay bang. Gawa na. Tipa ay nice kumngan.
Get ready. You're redeployed.
Measure.
Bashok Ushkaki.
Contract failed.
And not saucy me. Oi, Steve, come get me, bro. Fuck, man.
Nigga, I can't get
now,
you, bro.
folks here. Oh, damn, I'm coming. Oh, you did.
You're a bitch ass holding hand.
There's a sniper holding,
Contract failed. Objective lost.
tying his cock to a notch to the pole across the building, bro.
It's hard that time. Dust yourself off, regroup, and get back out there.
Bro, how you gonna lay out in the open and they come get me, bro? How you gonna lay out in the open and say come?
Easy, Private Ryan.
Guy.
Oh, I love that movie, bro. Saving Private Ryan. That's the shit.
Yeah, if you love it, then why are you running away from us instead of saving us?
Bro, I got 6 kills, bro. Where you at with that 1 kill you got, bro? Oh my god.
Here you go with that talk again. Come
Yeah,
on.
watch.
Hey,
Chad.
Chad.
Chad, come on, you know
You
what
still
it
have
is.
his fucking hotspot on? Or you fucking upgrade? That's why you got 6 kills? You're stealing my Wi-Fi, bro. I'm gonna tell the governor of Indiana Pacers.
I'm gonna have 20. I'm gonna try.
Oh, yeah.
45, no stock. Hey, no, move. No do that, okay? Oh, okay, come. Okay, come. Come.
Imagine they're gonna knock them some neck. Carry on that.
Yes.
And kung some niggas
aimed at me, I was like, oh shit, what the fuck am I gonna do? And then I saw
Ganti man, go the it don't matter. You get squad wide.
Oh yes. Get what TV. Hey son, stop. Thank you. You know what? Thank you very much. Thank you again. Ja, bella partner, Gigiakle. Oh my, zat naar 752. He's here.
Wow.
All stations, we are green to go. Stand by for deployment.
Oh, the sprint restore fucked me up. Oh, that's right.
Alright, where we going? We're going to...
205, so we were going straight to Bio.
Resurgence. Survive to redeploy fallen teammates. Kill to bring them back.
Hey, done it. Oh.
Ada ba någon gängfråga?
Mark, doesn't near my teammate. Doesn't near my teammate. That's all it is.
Alright, bet.
Whoa, Sergeant. Slow down.
Sorry. You have to like the illa with the chat, man.
UAV gunning.
Get a UAV in the air.
Damn, who's over there? Number 2. Jesus.
Yo, somebody's at the chopper, bro. That's my kill, bro. Guarantee, bro. Motherfucker dead.
Looking for a Philly Tuesday.
They're up there.
What are you looking for, bro? You looking for me?
Enemy counter UAV inbound.
Keep shooting. Keep shooting. You fuck!
Remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Oh, I got the first kill already. I don't want no more kills.
Oh shit.
That's all I need, bro.
I need a blade.
They run away like a bitch. After
they're back up there. He's over there. Oh, he's got the gun, yeah.
Yes, the fleet kayo. Ninja! Ayos, gumawas na. Oo, pretty good po natin. ARC, ayan ang name is SMGs. Okay, it's okay.
Earn this. TACOM, LDBR on my mark. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Hey, you fucker. You suck. Hey, one more. Right there. Oh, damn, I pistol whipped one of them. The same guy killed me again, bro. I'm coming for you, bro. You fucking guy killed me twice.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Entra no resto não, que for.
Muy.
Please not buying in our restroom.
Dale, Renzo. Watch the girl at envelope.
Hold on, I got 1 second.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
Man, we got like 121 comments right now. Oh, you guys crazy.
Hold up.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Come get me.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
So they get your fucking comrade.
Enemy UAV is online.
Who's there? Told you play too much.
Archie, you keep killing us like a little bitch.
Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
No, that's not him, bro. I gotta go kill that motherfucker. He's down there. Where the fuck are you? I hear you talking, bro. You killed me twice, bro.
Got a swarm of spy drones on our arse. Shut them down.
That's it! Lấy lên người, nó phản nhận người mà. Cái gì nó mày chứ? Lấy lên người, nó lót phìn lòm trên. No, no. Oh shit! No, 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 no. Ooh. Woo! What's up, YouTube?
You have reinforcements inbound.
Hello, motherfucker.
Marking the rest of them. Hostile UAV in the area. Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted. There's an increased payout for this job. Be sure to collect. Enemy UAV on ready. Enemy UAV is online. Good kill. Mark the rest of that squad on your tac.
Dealing for them.
About to close. Check arm. Get a UAV here.
Cái số dịch sang ngoài đến back chain, chat pen, ôm rồi, đâu. Mà buồn nào.
Don't make me buy you back. Just wait. Don't make me show off these boys and buy you back for free. Hey.
Hello, me. Let me buy you baggage. Yeah, I love the baggage. Thank you very much.
Is that a real care package?
That package is beautiful.
Oh my god, it smells good. Let's just stay here till December and then we'll move.
Cái quái con cổ.
Mà em nói rồi thấy anh kia này, biết tự nhiên được take control from down and the control so you can control ourselves.
Control good.
Everything like the what now? Yeah, the close your stream, man. I play that.
Secure the supply boxes.
Yeah, the man make what you made there.
Contracts worth more than usual, so get it
Hey,
done,
you
soldier.
gotta wait, man. Buy an airstrike, throw it up there so they can come out like rats. You got an airstrike? Buy airstrike.
Visual on
buy station.
Here's my where's your cash?
People here.
Oh shit, Sherlock, we're gonna buy cash. Alright, get ready, watch my back, I'm buying you a fucking 1, 2, 3, go.
Head to the safe zone. Gas is close.
Are you guys ready?
He's down. He's down. Go hit him.
Where?
Up there, yo.
Push left.
Oh shit! Oh my god. Fight me right now. Second spawn over there.
No, wait.
Dude, they're down, bro. 2 of them. Oh.
Less than 25 were still standing.
Whoa.
The enemy took that one, but we'll get them back.
No,
right there at the buy.
You dancing or? Hey, we got a bush. In order to learn and get skills, you gotta push.
Yeah, let's go.
You left? Alright, let's go. Fuck it.
I was just trying to learn how to snipe.
Maybe the random's gonna do something. Welcome to the stream, y'all. Thank you for keep commenting and make the live still alive. But guys, to surrender, you got smacked so much you left. Give me a la, give me na. Nah. Alright, let's get it. Yeah, let me know what give me na.
Resurgence. Stay alive.
Let's go control, fuck it.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the sky. Supply box
Hit! Boy, that gas really worked. CNB. Yeah, you can join us now because the other guy left. I'm sorry I didn't invite you. I thought you left. CNB, I'm talking about.
Ah!
Enemy UAV overhead. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Eyes on enemy.
Enemy dropping into the AR.
He left right away. What the hell? He left. He's scared so much he left the match.
Enemy UAV is online. Your squad's in the safe zone. You've got gas moving in. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy SAM turret active. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Damn, what happened, bro?
You have reinforcements inbound. Loadout drop headed your way.
Hirko, what man? Yang lain. Nice shot.
Enemy soldier incoming. You're back on station. Go get after it. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Net fuck off reload though, dang.
Remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Eyes on enemy.
Go, 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 go.
Pakai loadout dia kan.
Still confirmed. We've located the rest of them. Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
Come on guys, don't die please. Don't hide, go, bro.
All squad mates are in the safe zone.
That's our field upgrade.
Gas is moving.
Gawin siya daw, don't logo, definitely like.
No.
Hostile shoot. Never mind.
Enemy dropping into the area. Watch the skies. We have reinforcements inbound.
Diyag na rin lomo. You ain't shit.
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
He's down.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Eyes on enemy.
Push, push. You ain't gonna get away, bitch.
Buy station prices have been reduced. Enemy destroyed. Use
I'm
your
ready
tac
to
map to
fuck
hunt
up
down the rest
any
of them.
player, bro. Come, come, come. We got people in control trying to come up.
Resurgence window
Where?
is ending. Watch your
They're
six.
down there.
They're over there.
Moving here. Marking enemy. Cancel that.
Watch out, people on the other side. People on front, remember.
Supply squad still operational in the AO.
They're still down there. They're gonna come up and we fuck them up.
Be advised, you still have squad
There it
mates
is.
outside
There it
the
is.
safe
There's the
zone.
time.
Watch behind us.
They're here.
Enemy spotted.
Stupid as fuck.
He's broken. To your left, to your left.
Enemy UAV overhead. Fire sales
Oh shit, wala niya.
Moving here.
Get to the roof, get to the roof. Hey, Taran, opposite side, opposite side.
Eyes on enemy. Coordinates marked.
I have to die.
Manlu.
Oh, you got a nice shot at me.
down to 10.
No, get down. Stay alive, stay alive. 10 seconds. 10 seconds, 10 seconds.
Be advised, resurgence is no longer active.
Oh, yes. We there.
Your squad mates back.
Yo, wala na lang. Yo, to. Apa yo, Stay alive, stay alive. Up to Bobby. Hey, ship it. Yes, that's it.
Bakit tao ano?
Hey, power up a town, you got me.
Three squads left
Fucking
in the
power
world.
guy, he's
Stay
shooting
alert.
at us like.
You're losing ground. Move it.
Mas gan rela, gan zoom ya. Macam mana tu? Apa bang ni? Lagi sa mainin. Kung gan mo lang may na-phone na. Rasugat si Pi Station niya. Kung gan mo lang
Market.
na-phone na. Ayan na si... Oh, fuck.
You're in the top 5.
Fuck off.
Less than 10 were still standing.
Yeah.
Defeat is only a mindset. Shake it off and keep pushing.
Dito, nice though. Alright, we need QC and B. Hey, son, you want cereal? You want cereal? Alright, gotcha. CNB is still here, yes sir. I'm sorry I kicked you out earlier.
Alright.
My squad was full, so I cannot leave him. What? Did you see the gun that I used, CNB?
Yeah, I did.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is your favorite gun?
I usually use KSV.
What is that? AR?
SMG. KSV.
Oh yeah.
That's all I usually use.
Yeah. That's the one I'm talking about.
That's the one you use.
That motherfucker is so fast and accurate.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, if you mix it with both SMG together, you're gonna be like real demon right now. If you use the what's the name of this? The PP 919 is pretty nice.
Yeah.
My girl could hear you like it's
So mix them both together. Woo, I'm gonna make it later. Where? Get up! Get up! I make you guys serious.
All stations, this is Shadow 01. Deployment to the war zone has been authorized.
Oh, we're never mind.
It's gonna
It's
show.
invisible.
Resurgence.
My screen.
Survive and your team can redeploy.
Or we win.
Eliminate Spartans to bring them back faster.
Alright, this spawn, I'll be spawn.
Set a block point for your squad soldier.
I'll be spawn right now. Come. Here's it. Need that.
Way to keep it tight. Supply box UAV is inbound. Hostiles have established a SAM turret.
What about me, huh? What about me, huh? Get the fuck down. Damn, I got shot by a guy behind.
Nah, he ran to.
Yeah, you shot me behind, bro. You better chill.
Lost and two, like this one came.
Enemy UAV is online.
Amazing, man. I'm coming.
I got killed. Yo, don't go.
Your squad mates back on
There's
station.
2 of them there.
Yeah, what?
That's what I'm saying, bro.
No, I didn't even go over there. The guy just landed on me and killed me.
Nah, I'm
Whoa.
saying. What I said is like there's 2 people over there.
Can't believe it, bro. Just shoot me real fast, bro.
Yo, they're right there.
Nice vengeance. You're redeploying.
Yeah, I'm dead. Sorry, there's 2. Yo, we should just land a whole different place. Go to chem.
We've got 10 squads active in the field. You have reinforcements
I'm a
inbound.
squad.
Why you running, blood?
Must have been.
Yes.
Squad mates.
Bro, people behind you.
5 are left.
Only 5 left? Oh, no. Why did you say only 5 left? Did I thought?
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go chemical, to be honest.
Yeah,
There's
you can
anyone
just
there.
go somewhere.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Hostile
Yeah,
UAV
it's
in the area. Your squad mates back on
I
station.
don't know if there's anyone here.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, guys, just come here, I have no one here. Maybe
Where
one.
y'all at?
Enemy dropping into the AR. Recon flyover. Aerial surveillance is up. Use the tac map. Enemy UAV overhead. Through the path of incoming patrols. Get out of there. Surveillance.
There ain't nobody here, guys. And there's pretty good guns up here too.
Heads up. Aerial recon's back for another sweep.
Getting this key guard out of silver. I got a platinum because
If you love to fuck, bro. Oh my god. I was in the middle of the squad.
oh, let's go, bro.
Surveillance drones in the AO. Suggest you leave. Stand by for redeployment.
Oh
Some of your squad is
I
outside
can
the
get
safe
one of
zone.
these guys.
Enemies are dropping into the area.
There's a recon flyover on me.
Hope you're gonna go and get your loadout easily.
Hunt them down.
Y'all push it out.
I got my loading.
Fucking
I just need
loaded
my
kill.
weapons, bro.
Yeah. He said fucking
We got
loading.
one.
Yeah.
Hostile UAV in the area. UAV is
Where?
online.
Deze geworden. Takta valma. Kliefde je verloopt. Deze, Tito omlaag maar maken.
What happened?
Maar deze dat je verloopt. Lekker laat.
Authorizing HARP deployment. Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted. Got an extra valuable opportunity here.
Yo, I just got beamed. I'm dead. Again.
Yeah, what? You guys, bro. Oh my god. You guys are...
He's on top. He's
two guys standing in the same stair. You guys are dead. You bunch of dead.
Who's just chilling there?
Scary ass old people, bro.
Yo, I'm just gonna land with you guys and...
Resurgence is about to end. Make it count.
I like your gun, Tito. It's a cold one.
Thank you, man.
Oh, you see all that money, bro? That's a kill streak.
You'll get another chance. Weapons free.
Getting the XP, bro.
Get yourself to the safe zone.
Why?
Leave no
I
one
want
behind.
get the good man back. That fucking XP stupid. They put it on outside of the map.
Fire sale's over. Adjusting prices.
Precision? Oh, there's got right on us too.
You gotta be kidding me, bro. Are you guys fucked up on the precision, bro?
Yo, there's guys behind us.
5 squads
I'll cover you.
operational in the AO.
There you go. Good as new.
Oh, I swear, is it over us?
You thought you gonna
Guys,
outrun me, bro. You thought, don't you?
Contract's worth more than usual, so get it done, soldier. Hostile UAV in the area.
Enemy moving. Hostile shooter.
Dead. One's dead.
No, that guy missed all his shot on a straight view.
Yo, move
Watch
toward
the
me.
buy
Move
station,
toward
don't
me.
let them buy.
Get to the safe zone. You've got gas moving in.
Alright, I'm moving with you.
He's hit.
Come.
There's people here.
Yeah, I know.
Eyes on enemy.
Oh.
Enemy UAV is online.
Shit. Come on.
This one line. Yeah.
Left in the war zone. Stay alive.
Yo, I'm dead.
You a bitch, bro. You just stand there and wait and talk shit.
1 of 10 remaining. Not bad.
Yeah, we
Double
kill
you
you
next
talk
time.
shit. Damn, I was stuck. In 6 and 5.
I think.
Alright, guys. Welcome back, welcome back.
The boys in the hood go round and round, round and round, round and round. The boys in the hood go round and round. The boys in the hood go up and down, up and shut, up and shut. Oh.
Good one.
Yeah, I seen that one. I saw them missing a couple girls out. Was it two of them?
Yeah, that's why they
No
getting
cap.
up so fast.
Hey, go to the Issues Island. eBay issues. Rebirth.
Stand by. Enemy dropping into the AO. Playtime though. Stand by for deployment to the war. Resurgence. Survive to redeploy to an Go get after it.
Number two, I have to go, man. No longer like that, dude.
Get it.
That's perfect.
Nagkagaya mo.
Field upgrade active here. Enemy UAV overhead.
Taking fire.
Hey, you gotta stay together, man. Word, hold on. Hey, relax, man. I'm taking a load. No, not you.
You're redeploying.
Oh, Tito. Okay. Thank you. You fucking hungry face looking motherfucker. You better stay alive, bro.
Be advised, you still have squad mates outside the safe zone.
He's reviving them by the...
You have reinforcements inbound.
Put this Humvee in your hands.
We down to people that's literally garbage as hell at the game. I just died like a motherfucker hood nigga. That's so garbage.
Hostile UAV in the area. Your squad mates redeployed. Well done. Enemy UAV is online.
What's up, motherfucker?
Thank you.
Nice. Yeah, that's all right.
Stand by for redeployment. Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
Jumping out.
Got that guy down.
Jumping. Bring the other one. It's too late. Yo, behind you.
Wala na. Tanya Pax, belli vanla met old. Me quick click. Intende. Ah. Wah. Kênh gồm để bằng Ué, é time gosto sai chocolar. Vai, não tá com a bola. Pó! Ui, Corona siya.
¿Tú te crees que estás duro, cabrón? Si nosotros no te ayudamos, tú no los matas.
The real thing's coming soon. Enemy dropping into the AR. Prep time's over. Now you deploy to the war zone. Resurgence.
Stronghold.
Stay alive to keep the squad alive.
Stronghold, y'all.
Yeah, no shit.
Oh, okay. Strong. Stronghold, bro.
Up to Stronghold landing.
One more exploding. Yeah. One more than you better.
So I'm gonna get the go for most.
And one more exploding.
Venga, ay no, ¿qué va?
Bro, he's right here, bro.
Hay como 10 tipos ahí, 10.
And one more exploding. Loman left, get the goal, Loman. Hit! What's your ball? He's here!
Like, que no te mates.
Cállate, puta.
Ah, John está ahí también. Vamos quedando.
Oh, the girl is talking.
Oh, it's a girl.
Welcome to our world. Welcome. Why are you coming here for? Huh? Why you come here?
You have visa?
Good kill.
Come here. Trump is gonna kick you out of here.
You're here. Multiple.
Never mind.
Oh shit! Shut the fuck up! You just came behind me, bro. You ain't doing nothing. Taxi, you ain't doing nothing.
Go get your revenge.
Ê, tôi này kịp xin cái hiên anh, xin cái dollar. Nếu mà có nó bột nè. I got you, go man. I got him. Sorry, a little bit too late. Sorry.
Get hunting.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Enemy dropping into the AO.
One is on top.
Too close.
He's going in there.
Fuck you. Kill his ass. You thought he's gonna hide, bro. Pick me up. Please. We gotta get the fuck out of here. The gas is here. They're here. They're still here. They're on front. Watch out. It's outside.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Bro, somebody behind you guys, bro. Fucking slut. Waiting for leftovers.
Target of opportunity acquired.
Put fish right behind that fucking smoke.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. Target's gone dark. Looks like someone else claimed your prize. Additional target added. You have reinforcements inbound.
Look at that fucking guy. Look at that pig.
Ê, có phong mai gì vậy? What the fuck?
Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV overhead. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV is online.
Cycle 3 displaying the same treatment.
Fuck you,
squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Eh? Fuck you, bro.
Contract was compromised. Stand down.
Oh, he died. Yes. It's really good. He died. Oh, he got sailed. Fuck.
Someone beat you to the punch. The objective is lost. You're getting another chance. Weapons free. Your squad's in the safe zone.
Fucking campy ass dude, bro.
Dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Enemy counter UAV inbound.
Fuck you, die.
Where's number 3 at?
So you did not know that.
Dude, there's a lot on the bottom in control, bro. Alright. He's coming up right now.
Open that box, open that box.
There's gonna be 3 pulling up right now. Behind you.
Oh, we're coming.
Get ready. You're redeployed.
He's dead.
Returning to normal operations. Enemy UAV overhead.
Bitch.
Only 25 remain. The squad mate's back on station. Good work. Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced. You have reinforcements inbound.
Deploy care package.
Resurgence window, is it? Watch your six. Enemy UAV is online. Center it up. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy
together,
UAV
guys.
is online. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV is online. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Launcher UAV.
Move to the safe zone. Gas is inbound.
Need gas on my grid.
Sorry.
Copy that. 1-3-1 is on station. Strike inbound. No joy.
Hostile UAV in the area. Fire sales done. Prices are back to normal.
Priority tasking request received. UAV exiting AO.
Enemy destroyed.
Hey, يا لله الله أكبر.
Resurgence is being deactivated. This is the end game.
Head for the location.
I'm the mess. Stick together. Get over here.
Alright, relax. Stay together.
We're returning you to the front. Earn this. Get to the safe zone.
Yes, let's go.
Gas is closing in.
Right here. This way. Follow the circle. Look at the map.
Still operational in the AO.
Somebody's there. He down.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Hey, one line, chia the bong. Oh no. Speaking up right now, bro. Oh my. Molly. Wait, let's go.
There's a sniper behind you guys.
Cut my lighting off, please. You ain't got nothing enough, bro. No way, don't like your money. Very much do. You know what?
3 squads left in the war.